Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix the search bar not working. The search bar keeps loading in Windows 11. The first thing you can try is to go here. Make sure that the search bar is visible. Go to taskbar searching. Then here, make sure it is not clicked on hide, but you can click it here, search box. And it appears right over here. And the next thing you can try, restart your computer and try to run it again to see if it works. And if you're still having problems, you can try this. Go on your Windows icon, right click, click on run, then type in this services.msc. Click on OK. Here we need to look for Windows search. Right over here, double click it. Make sure on startup type it's selected automatic delete start. Click on apply and OK. And after you do that, restart the service. Try again to see if it works and you're done.